Hey, welcome back, guys. So today on this video, we are talking about your GoTo Meeting webinar, and more specifically, I'm going to quickly answer a question I keep getting a lot on my other video, and that is, how do you turn off your attendees or participants' microphone in your GoTo Meeting webinar? So let's go ahead and talk about this. First off, guys, real quick video, not too many steps involved, so be sure to stick around to the end of the video. But why would you want to turn off the participant microphones anyways? Well, that's pretty easy. If you're running an online business doing webinars, you know that sometimes the participants or attendees will have their microphone on and you can hear animals or screaming babies. And sometimes it's better just to completely turn off the microphones. Whatever the case is, it's a pretty easy process. It's handled here in your GoTo Meeting webinar. Check my video description. I'll try to leave the written instructions there as well. But I've already logged into one of my GoTo Meeting webinars, as you can see right here. Now, if you want to turn off the microphone to all of the attendees, here on the top right, you're going to click on this gear icon. Once you do that, you're going to see these three options at the top: audio, camera, and session. You want to click on session. Okay, once you click on session, you're going to scroll down until you see this section, attendee permission. So to turn off the microphone to all of the participants, look for this line, allow mic. You can see mine's green, so any participant, they can go ahead and jump in and turn on their mic. But to turn that off, just click the little button and you can see it's going to turn black. This means that the microphones are off for all participants and attendees. So there you have it, guys. If you're wondering how to turn off participant microphones in your GoTo Meeting webinar, that's the easiest way I know how to do it. If you know an easier way, be sure to leave a comment below. Let the rest of us know how you did it. Hopefully you found that video useful. If so, click thumbs up or maybe consider subscribing to my channel, and I hope to see you on the next video. Thanks again for watching.